Alright, so you're going to need your spark plugs, your boot protector, your anti-seize, your socket, and there you go. So first step first, gotta pop the boot out. Perfect. You're gonna want to get your socket. You want to put it right in there. Alright, so it's the bottom. Now you gotta take out the actual spark plug. There you go. So, as you guys can see, this spark plug had to get replaced. See if you can just focus on that. It's really messed up. Now, you can put this aside because that's basically trash. Now, you want to get your new spark plug. Open that bit up. See the difference? Here, I could bring the other one for comparison. It's really worn out. One's actually pretty good. And so now that you have your new spark plug, right, you're gonna get your anti-seize right here. All right, you're gonna want to put some right there. Alright, and basically what this does is it makes it easy so that next time you have to change them, they're on nice. Next, what you have to do, you have to put the spark plug protector, and basically you just grab it, you just put it right here. As you can see, like that, just rub it around with your fingers. Won't kill you. It doesn't kill you, makes you stronger, right? Alright, perfect. Alright, go back to your socket. Make sure it clicks. Now, make sure you slowly bring it down so that it doesn't fall off. Alright, and you just tighten it up. Let's just put that in there. The other way. Alright, now that you got it in, nice and tight, you're gonna want to put your plug back in, or your boot. Or you're going to want to take out the next boot. I usually go from last to last and then in. So then, undo this. It'll be a little tough, the first one. It's pretty tight in there. Alright, see? Pretty loose. All right. There we go. As you can see, this one's also pretty bad. So yeah, this car definitely needed new spark plugs. I bought this car used, so I'm assuming they never actually changed the spark plugs. So now what you do is you do the same thing that we did earlier. Just grab your new spark plug right here. You take it out of the packaging. You add your anti-seize right here. You got your boot protection again. Put it in there. That's simple. Alright. Put it back in your socket. It's all the way in, and then slowly bring it down. Again, like that. Then just put it in. Screw it into the torque it needs. Okay, now that it's getting pretty tight, that's when I bring in the ratchet. Okay. Alright. Once you're done with that, you put in your boot again and on to the next one.